So next thing we're going to do, we're going to pair it. We're going to make sure it's plugged in, ready to go. Make sure it has electricity. Pair your blinds to your Apple Home. So doing that, it's press 4 times clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you press down on that 4 times quickly, and then press and hold for 5 seconds. I got the app here now. So what we are going to do, we are going to add to home, choose my home, and we are connected. So we want to hallway, basement, attic, create a new room. We're going to do the kitchen. Blind's name. Blinds added to the home. Okay. We are back in the app. I'm at my Apple Home, and I want to demonstrate how to move the window curtains, just maybe 25%. So we'll slide it up to 25%. Nice. See how easy it is. Maybe want to open up maybe 50% here. Nice. You know, it's a nice sunny day. Why don't we open this bad boy up all the way to almost 100%? Not too close. We don't have to crash together now, do we? Which is quite all right, because you can just hit the button 4 times for that problem. There we go. A little bit more. Oh, so now you want to do, we've come full circle here. So you want to take it back 50, maybe 25%. Yeah, I had that wrong. I guess you don't have to hit it 4 times to go to reverse. Just use your app on your screen. Yeah. Come down a little bit more, maybe 25%. And you want to take it back all the way. Almost all the way closed there. I'll do it all the way closed. Okay. See how simple that is? Take it up a little bit more, so. A little more. Again, a little more. See how very quiet the mode is, and how simple it is for somebody like me. I'm a Gen Xer, and so sometimes this stuff's a little complicated for me, but this is quite simple. Scanning on it, getting into the app. Look at that. It just moves so quick if you want to open a window that quick. And for somebody like me, again, somebody like me, I'm not very tech savvy, but this is quite simple.
If you are lacking an iPhone, no worries. The Remac Home Smart Curtain Motor M1 remote renders the same features as the Apple iPhone. The Remac Home Smart Curtain Motor